Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MEIZU M8 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one is using a secret code and the second is using the settings, and of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the shortest one. Let's enter the dialer in order to enter the code, and the code is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers, so actually using this code we cannot check the serial number. So let me tap on OK and let me show you the second way to check those numbers. As I said, if you cannot check the serial number using a secret code, and in case that if for some reason the secret code won't work. So we have to enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. And actually in the details we've got the serial number we hadn't got in the secret code way, and also both IMEI numbers. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your MEIZU M8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.